From the book of Genesis, chapter 19, verses 18 through 29. From the Douay-Rheims version. And the sons of Noah who came out of the ark were Sem, Cam, and Japheth. And Cam is the father of Canaan. These three are the sons of Noah, and from these were all mankind spread over the whole earth. And Noah, a husbandman, began to till the ground and planted a vineyard. And drinking of the wine was made drunk, and was uncovered in his tent. Which when Cam, the father of Canaan, had seen, to wit, that his father's nakedness was uncovered, he told it to his two brethren without. But Sem and Japheth put a cloak upon their shoulders, and going backwards covered the nakedness of their father, and their faces were turned away, and they saw not their father's nakedness. And Noah, awakening from the wine, when he had learned what his younger son had done to him, he said, Cursed be Canaan, a servant of servants shall he be under his brethren. And he said, Blessed be the Lord God of Sem, be Canaan his servant. May God enlarge Japheth, and may he dwell in the tents of Sem, and Canaan be his servant. And Noah lived after the flood 350 years, and all his days were in the whole 950 years, and he died. And from the book of Genesis, chapter 19, verses 18 through 29, from the Douay-Rheims version.